Hi, I'm Phil and this is Lynn. We're off on an adventure in our overland motorhome. We're going to try and drive it round the world and we'd like to take you with us. Going to start cooking a spaghetti bolognese today. Interesting way that they package their minced beef in like a sausage of plastic. And I've got a new cookery tool. Look at that. A meat musher. Let's see how it goes. Much finer ground than the minced meat we get at home. Much more like you get in France. But I'm impressed with this little tool for breaking up the bits of minced beef as it goes. Just adding a little bit of freshly chopped onion, finely chopped onion, and plenty finely chopped garlic. And a little glug of olive. And then brown it again. A stock cube. And what the Americans call stewed tomatoes. Not as finely chopped as ours at home, but looking good. Most unusually, there's a glass of red here that's not for me drinking because it is breakfast time. It's going in here. Look at that. I'm going to put all the meat and the veg I've got so far into our very small slow cooker, which will be on during our journey today and powered by the battery or by the alternator from the truck. How good's that? Cooking me dinner for free. Great tip from my friends Neil and Pat. After a day's driving, we're in a really good spot near a river, and the fruits of my labour this morning are just about ready for eating. Look at that spaghetti bolognese a la overland motorhome. A little bit of Mexican cheese sprinkled on top. Not very Italian, but never mind. Oh, it's coming. Oh. I've got to say, cheers.
Cheers. I think
Rubbish.
I got more than you. Look at my plate. Oh. Cheers, love.
Cheers, dear. Don't know if it'll go. We'll have to see.
Your fires always go.
You better get me the matches and we'll see.
Are you on holiday here?
No, I live here.
Do you?
Yeah.
And what's the best thing about here?
This.
This is beautiful, isn't it?
Amazing.
Yeah?
This is our Winnebago Micro Mini. It's about 22 feet long.
Yeah.
We've got almost 1,300 watts of solar and right now around 400 amp hours of battery. So we run everything except for the AC off the solar, and it's amazing for us. And then we use Starlink. We usually have it mounted up there, so for internet and everything. Yeah, we can kind of go wherever. We don't need cell service, and we both work full time. And
Oh, it's beautiful. It's absolutely superb.
Yep.
Thank
He
you.
did all the solar install, the batteries, and everything.
All the
He learned a
electrical
lot
and
off
everything.
YouTube.
Yep.
Well done.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
YouTube University. It's
Yeah,
an amazing place.
It is, yeah. That is 100% the biggest train I have ever seen. I wouldn't be surprised if there was about 500 carriages on that train. How many trucks does that take off the road? Unbelievable. It certainly is beautiful up here in Glacier National Park. And Lynn's catching me up. Eventually. Beautiful, isn't it, eh?
Gorgeous. I'm not too far behind.
Oh, miles. How's the lunch?
It's really nice.
What are we having today?
The same issue. I'm having salami, salad, coleslaw. Just wish I had two and not the one.
Me too, believe me. Any decent wife would have given me hers. Not peanut, Lynn.
Thank you.
No, you don't. We've not got that much food. This is up in the mountains, we've got to be very careful.
Are those the rations?
These are my rations.
Right, this is as far as we can go on the Hidden Lake Trail. And over in the background there, that mountain is called Bear Hat Mountain, and it's over 8,000 feet high. And in the background, the snowy capped mountain over there, that's called Gunsight Mountain, and that's over 9,000